Welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is actually David Innocent, and I'll be doing some ones and twos in Mendeley. Uh, this is what I shall be doing, especially uploading files in Mendeley desktop and where we shall be getting them from and the rest. So let me not hook up much of my words. The heading is well written as the sources and the requirements that shall be needed to help us do this work. So we need to have a laptop with at least a long-lasting battery that will help us in case of power blackout, that we are able to continue with our work in the computer without any error of power disconnectivity. Next, we are supposed to have a stable internet connection. This will create more efficiency. So during search, the computer will not be lagging, will not be slow, because the internet is okay. Yeah, everything will be fine. Next, in the search engine or the browser, yeah, we know we have very many browsers and very many search engines. We have the Yahoo, we have the Google, in fact we have very many that I cannot mention, but a few. Not forgetting that we shall be dwelling mostly, since we are doing something about the study about educational purposes. So our main thing here shall be Google Scholar. I shall use Google Scholar in this case. Then we should not forget the topic of study, that is what actually are you going to upload in Mendeley. Why are you in Mendeley? What purpose do you want to serve in the Mendeley desktop software? So under that, I think for my case I'll be doing what is called corruption in Uganda, and that will be a suitable topic for me today. Yeah, the next is the type of file that we need to know that we need to upload in the Mendeley software, and that is automatically the PDF file that is accessible by most of these programming softwares that are available. Say even apps in the phones, most of them are easily accessible in PDF formats. So the path of the file is actually where we keep the files. When you want to access it, where is the file kept? When you want to see where is the file kept, that's what we call the file path. So the file path is another important factor we are supposed to always keep in our minds. Not forgetting that we should have the Mendeley desktop. Yeah, because that's the main topic why we are here today. So yeah, we shall have to do that as required. So let us dive into business. Go into your Chrome or Phoenix or Microsoft Edge browser you have installed in your PC. You can go ahead and type Google Scholar, and of which I've done this several times in the computer, so the computer is used to me, so I've seen it here. Number one, so I have Google Scholar. So when I click on Google Scholar, I say that is for mainly academic purposes. We use Google Scholar in case of making any research. So when you're doing research, mostly we refer to Google Scholar. It always has some valuable and important documents always kept in it. So when I click on Google Scholar, it will have to hit me up on this page. Now when this page pops up, we have things like the article and the case law, but for our case we're only interested in the article because actually we're dealing with this and we want to produce out the real documents, and these are articles, so there's no need of us changing anything you see here. Maintain it as it is. So my topic of study is corruption in Uganda. I told you I just made research about this before I actually came to do it, and that's why you're seeing anything I press, the computer is generating, because I can see this AI. Yeah, so I'm actually dealing with the corruption in Uganda, and the corruption in Uganda, we have that. Now, what we need to do when we reach here is actually, when you check at the other step, when I was showing you about the overlay, you say that the type of file that we need, the format should be PDF. But before we go to that, always when we are doing this Mendeley activity, we have our work be done in current years. I mean 5 years behind. So we are into 24. When you take 5 years behind, shall be in 2020. 2019, that will be our year, our 5 years range. So mostly when you're doing research, we should be in the range of 5 years. So when I come there, I'll have to go to the 3 dots and then I come to advanced search. I want to make this in the gap of 5 years. So my 5 years, I said it was from 2019. Oh, it's appearing here. 224, I also have it there. So this is the current year I am in. So this is just like a gap range, 2019 to 224. Then I click on that search. It will produce for me a variety of what I want. Yeah, this is what I want. This is effective. Oh. So you come right here on that where there's PDF something. You come to that and then click on it. When you click on it, on the right upper corner there is something like a download thing. So you go and download that. So I think I've downloaded mine. Yeah, I have downloaded a couple of them. So you can easily rename them if you want, but don't forget I talked of the path. The path is knowing where you're supposed to save. Initially, when you click on download, it has to bring to this folder. So you can save them there if you want. If likewise you don't want, we also have you can also choose to save it in different places. Let me say I'm saving it in this folder, in this one called the local disk F on new volume F. Then I choose Mendeley and I put it here. I can even decide to rename. I give it my own name, so I'm giving it corruption in Uganda. Yeah, I just copied that and pasted. I just used the shortcuts. Otherwise, I would have typed corruption in Uganda. Very many things. So I just say the corruption in Uganda 7. I want to differentiate it from what I already have here. I already have 1 up to 6. I want to differentiate that, so I make it 7. So when I make it 7, I just click on save. When I click on save, you can see it here. It's already saved in PDF format. It's here. You can click on that box and it shows you everything. So what you're supposed to do next now, we have already placed the thing. We have already downloaded the files you wanted. The next thing you're supposed to do is now put the files in the Mendeley desktop. So go double click Mendeley desktop, open it. In a moment it will be opening. Yeah, when it's done, so come here to this plus sign you see, click on that. You're creating a new folder, but always allow it to open, allow the Mendeley app to open, take its time. But then since we are doing this in a hurry, so allow me click that. So it's telling me I can rename the file I want, so I can put it as coursework, for example. So when I say coursework, I hit on enter, it has saved automatically. So I come to this add sign with this arrow facing down. Here you can add files, you can add folder, you can add in a watch folder or add entry manually. So for my case, I already have my files downloaded in the other place of the Mendeley. So I simply come to add files, then I navigate. Initially it will be here or anywhere else, but then I have mine kept in this place. I have the path, I know it of it. Then I click or I select all that, or you can choose the ones that you want. Then you click on open here. Yeah, you open. When you open it, boom, everything just loaded. Yeah, then the folder called the coursework, everything is here. That simple as that. Everything that you want is already there in your Mendeley app. So I need not discuss much about this. Yeah, I have everything there working, and the range, when you check out the range, I have most of them are in 221. So thank you for watching my video. Everything has been done as supposed to be, and not forgetting that my last glance on this was I expect one to be able to understand and fully upload the files to the software as done in the video. So at the end of this video, I expect all of you to would have learned something. I thank you so much for being much attentive to me. and God bless you all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that in case I upload any new video, you'll always be alert to watch and have that glance into your heads. Thank you so much. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good hour, have everything good. We'll meet again next time. Thank you.